Our victory was stolen. The Supreme Court subsequently made a historic judgment in which they ordered that the elections had to be repeated or fresh elections to be held by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. These are therefore to take us back to campaign. First, we would like to take the opportunity to thank all our supporters around the country, all the NASA supporters, and also all Kenyans who turned up to vote on that particular day. Even those who did not vote for us, they were exercising their democratic rights and therefore made our democracy much stronger. But we thank particularly our NASA supporters for turning up in large numbers and voting for us. The elections must be held by next month. And because of this, we are appealing to all our supporters around the country to participate in these elections by making financial contribution to the campaign. Every coin that is contributed will count. We're asking people to contribute to the 10 shillings, 100 shillings, 1,000, 100,000, a million, whatever you can afford. Every cent that is contributed matters in this exercise. So we want you to do so. And the launching therefore this campaign, you can make a contribution to M-Pesa pay bill number 991444. I repeat, M-Pesa pay bill 991444. That is the account in which contributions can be made. Will be made. So if you make that contribution, you'll be buying your tickets to Canaan. We are on our journey to Canaan, and we say that journey is unstoppable. Buy your ticket on this journey to Canaan. And we are definitely confident that we shall reach Canaan, definitely, as NASA. We want to thank you. And tuseme kwa Kiswahili, tunataka kutoa shukrani kwa Wakenya wote ambao walijitokeza kwa wingi tarehe 8 mwezi wa Agosti kupiga kura yao. Wale ambao walipiga kura kwa jumla tunatoa shukrani. Hasa tunatoa shukrani sana kwa wafuasi wetu wa NASA ambao walitupigia kura. Tulifaulu. Lakini kukawa na mkasa, vile hii mmeona tayari imedhihirika, ati kura iliibiwa. Tulienda mahakamani na mahakama ikatoa uamuzi, ikaamua ya kwamba haikukuweko uchaguzi iliyofanyika haikufanyika kwa mujibu wa sheria na katiba wa taifa letu. Wakafutilia mbali hiyo matokeo na wakaamrisha tume ya uchaguzi irudie uchaguzi ndani ya siku 90. Kwa hivyo tunarudi tena kwa debe. Sasa tunaomba wafuasi wetu wote washiriki katika uchaguzi kwa kutoa mchango kwetu. Na hiyo mchango inaweza kutumiwa kwa kaunti ya M-Pesa. M-Pesa nambari 991444. Narudia tena, M-Pesa nambari 991444. Ukitoa hiyo mchango utatusaidia Vile Waswahili husema ati haba na haba hujaza kibaba. Hata ukitoa shilingi 10, shilingi 100, 1,000, milioni 1, yote itachangia kwa ushindi wetu. Tutashukuru. Ukitoa vile wewe utakuwa unanunua tikiti yako kwa gari ya kuelekea Kanani. Sisi tuna hakika tutafika Kanani, wapende wasipende. Ungana na nasi ili tuweze kufika pamoja. Shukran sana kwa watu wetu. Thank you. Asanteni.
The bank. Bank yenyewe ndio hiyo.
Ni Right Honorable Raila Odinga akiuga ati ni riu bathi ya guthie kana nenunumie na mundu wothe ukwenda kugura tigiti wa guthie kana ni aheana na mbere ungituma M-Pesa donation. Uga ati wa gutuma ciringi 10, ciringi 5, milioni 2 kana 10 inyothe mungihota mukorwo mugitumira na mbeo. Nihi ari uguo makianjiriria campaign ya wale makorwo magithie mwena wa kuria ikamba-ini. Reke tuigue na kaundu kangi arenda kuga.
12000651102. I want to repeat. The account number is the Cooperative Bank of Kenya, Parliament Road Branch. Account name is ODM Presidential Account. The account number is 0112000651102. Kwa Kiswahili, kwa wale ambaye wanapenda kutoa mchango ambayo ni nyingi zaidi, tuko na akaunti katika banki ya Cooperatives ya Kenya, branchi ya Parliament Road, account nambari na jina ya akaunti ya ODM, account number 0012000651102. Tutashukuru kama nyinyi mtaweza kutoa mchango katika hiyo account.
Cooperative Bank.
Yes. Volume. Well, our team will be ready for a meeting with the Jubilee when not with Jubilee, with IBC. When IBC is ready for the meeting, we have a team which will meet with the IBC. I, of course, will only attend a meeting if the Jubilee candidate is also attending. Okay, but our team is ready for any kind of discussions. We need to know that the situation is getting fairly grave right now. A number of the commissioners are under serious threat by the government. So, we just get money from the authorities. Their securities have been withdrawn. Some of them are receiving very threatening males to their lives. So we are in actually very, very dangerous situation at the moment in this country. We just want to urge Jubilee to do the right thing. If our Uhuru Kenyatta, looking at what has transpired now, I would just resign and let this thing go. But trying to impose himself against the will of the people is not right. Now basically trying to buy individuals here and there, forcing them to give him support. Everything is now clear, has been put bare that he did not win, he lost his elections. And he's trying to force the people of Kenya. The people of Kenya will not be forced. We want the Jubilee government to do what is honorable, civilized, resign, and let the Kenyans move on. Thank you.
That was the same question, eh?
That's the question put
Same question.
in different words.
Yeah, maybe you can
In
repeat.
different words. But as you can see, you know what's happening within the IBC. Are they in a position to do the meeting right now? Given what is happening. Use your common sense.